So this is my, hey guys, it's Tomas again, and this is my Kyiv. In the middle of a lockdown. Curfew is at 2200, about an hour and a half, but nobody's out right now. I just left the territorial defense in an undisclosed location, secret location that was provided to me. This is KGB shit, I'm telling you. John Cross, if you're watching this, some real spy shit, 2022. They don't give out the locations. They don't give out the locations to the civilian ones. They don't give out the locations to the military ones. Territorial defense, the TRO, the civilian defense as well. There's three different, and then there's the military. There's three different, uh-oh. So there's supposed to be heavy fighting tonight. So, as I said, they don't give out the location unless you're a trusted source. I guess they trusted me. Connor, if you're watching this, they did a recording. There's my bank, actually. Petty-ass bank. Citrus, that's where I bought my SIM card. This is Valyka-Vasilkyvska. Eerily quiet here in Kyiv. I feel drained now. So as I was saying, there's supposed to be heavy fighting tonight, shelling. I think Kharkiv suffered a lot today. Our beautiful city, Kharkiv. Oh my God. This is a nightmare and it's atrocious. Shame on you, Putin. Shame on you, Putler. This is so unnecessary. The Ukrainian people are good people. Just, hardworking, fair, honest, all the ones I know. Integrity. They just want to evolve as a country. And Ganna, who's part of the territorial defense, I just spent the last half a day at. I think she announced the news that Zelensky signed the document moving into the EU, so that's great. At last, the EU, NATO. Ukraine will never go back. They'll never give up. Wow, it's so quiet. It is really quiet. Love that eyewear store. I've been there before. I tried to fix my Ray-Bans that are broken. And I'm gonna talk kind of quiet, guys, because I hope I don't get stopped. If I get stopped, I could have a little trouble. But I have my US passport with me. don't know why, but I'm thinking of the book Gabriel Garcia Marquez, Love in a Time of War and Cholera. So those over toward left bank, actually, the Sirens, they're not downtown here, they're not city center. So I'm gonna quickly walk home. I have about a 15-20 minute walk. I can't take the metro. There's no Bolt, there's no taxis, nothing. So I had to leave the territorial defense basement location. What time is it? I'm going to cover this as long as I can. And I'll tell you guys right now, the challenge with me joining and picking up a firearm, they're going to pair me with a guy named Vitaliy, a really nice man who he fought in the 2014 war. Нет, спасибо. So Vitaliy fought in it's just a drunk. I can deal with a drunk. He fought, anyway, Vitaliy fought in the 2014 war. And he speaks pretty good English. He said he was working with the missionaries here. There you are, Rock. And so they'll pair me up with him when I go back tomorrow and get a gun. I'm nervous about it. Haven't shot a gun in a long time. Another drunk. I'm so glad I don't drink anymore. Because I'd probably be drunk right now. Slava Bogu. Боже мой, Slava Bogu. So I'm just going to keep filming. Whatever we capture on the way home, we'll capture and record. This is so eerie quiet. Last time I walked down this part right here is covered with snow. My beautiful Kyiv. Where are we at? Okay, we're almost at Metro Olimpijska. So just one more to go after that. I don't feel like making any commentary. Just enjoy the video. I'm tired. This is so tragic and so unnecessary and so shocking in 2022. I'll just say it, you know, nothing that everybody doesn't know already, but Putler is just repeating the same history over and over and over again. Yeah, it's crazy. It's just the very definition of insanity. Olympijska. Huge Olympic stadium. Beautiful. And the metro. So these poor people are scared. They're not staying in their apartments or their homes, and they're sleeping down inside the metro instead. It's like the interview of Katya and her family I did earlier. I feel bad for them. The men are armed to the teeth here, though, I tell you that. Everybody. So Russians, beware. Really beware. You're gonna have your asses handed to you in body bags. I guarantee it. I just got out of I could feel the intensity of this is just a civilian territorial defense. The men are committed. They're armed and very serious. Murakami, not so good. I don't recommend going here for sushi. In fact, I haven't found a good place yet here. Not like in California, in my humble opinion. My hands are cold. I think I've had too much coffee. Honestly, there's not another single person out here. It's crazy. You can even hear the billboards change. You can never hear those. See? Normally you can never hear those, the sound of those.